amakhosi wona athule ethini why amakhosi angayijoyini lezi zinto kanje why singabona amakhosi enza njengenkosi yakwaMpumuza eMaritzburg yakwaZondi ethi abantu bokufika bangenazo imvume abahambi yini indaba amakhosi ehlele engenzi lutho. That's why ke sibona noma amakhosi evelelwa zinkinga abekho abantu abasukumayo bewalwele ngoba amakhosi awasabalwela abantu ayiphumulele nje ngathi kuhle ezweni kodwa ngabantu bawo laba abahluphekayo insizwa zawo lezi ezihluphekayo insizwa zawo lezi engasebenzi ogogo nomama namantombazana amakhosi lawa adlwengulwa labantu bokufika lezi ingane ezidayiswayo ngezawo amakhosi ahleleleni phansi yini angajubi insizwa ukuthi hayi ukuthi kuyoliwa akakafika empini kusaxoxwa yini engathumela amakhosi insizwa ukuthi azize izokweseka lezi zinto kanje ngoba lento isobala phela. Ibhlungu kabi lento kithi thina ke sithanda amakhosi ibhlungu ukuthi sibona amakhosi izinto okufanele ngabe yazeseke engazeseki iyona into ebhlungu kakhulu leyo.
Yeah, this is Durban Network. Namhlanje ke sila eThekwini enkabeni yeThekwini njengoba nazi nokho ukuthi kune national shutdown. This is a version yaseThekwini njengamanje ngine national organizer yale shutdown usisi uAman dadewethu siyakumukela ku Durban Network.
Ngibonga kakhulu ngithokoza ukuthi nani nifikile kwi national shutdown nazisa ukuthi le into esenzayo ngempela as citizens of South Africa.
Yes. Mhlambe tell us more about this shutdown ukuthi yini le inspire ukuthi nize ngcine decide ukuthi there must be a national shutdown.
Since 2007, the rand has been manipulated by the banks. 28 banks, 5 that are South African, and the rest are international banks. Because our laws and policies are not protecting us, the rand was manipulated. Okusho ukuthi isimo sokuphila nesomnotho kuyanyuka. Everything becomes expensive while they pocket money. They have made 100 trillion rands in money from us, the poor people at the bottom. Now this court case has been going on since then until today. Ayisolveki. Banks like Absa, Nangula are involved in this rand manipulation. But umthetho awukhuluma ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani. Kusho ukuthi thina our constitution and our government is not protecting us. Okwesibili, irand kumele ngabe li-trade ngo-7 rand to $1. Iku-18 rand kudla bona futhi. The South African Reserve Bank is privately owned. Okuyinkinga kwayiloko ingakho bevumela ukuthi amabhenki bahlangane futhi nakhona ayinyuse ukwenzela ukuthi bona benze imali ngathi. Siphinde futhi sikhulume about corrupt politicians are a huge problem because singayisotha out yonke lento nale mali ibuyiswe, of which is what we are demanding, that within 5 days by Friday sibe nama response from banks, from the commissioners, from the government himself of all these things esikhala ngazo. But now there's no use of doing that if these corrupt leaders are not imprisoned as they should be. Kade sibukela amakomishini but nothing is done. So that was what led us to where we are today.
Mhlambe sisamanye awusase usibeke mawuthi ama banks they were involved with manipulation ye-rand ngokwe research yakho kwenzeka kanjani mhlawumbe ubathatha ubabeka abantu abasekhaya ngoba they are clueless.
So ama-bank every day mawe trader bethenga or bedayisa kwamakhampani angaphandle. Ngizowenza umzekelo njengey'moto kumele bashintshe irandi balenze idola bese bayathenga ke ngaphandle. Into ke bebeyenza ukuthi ngesikhathi leyo company leyo izothenga ibiqala ifonela ibank, afonela iStandard Bank, afonela uAbsa, afonela uFNB kanjalo abone ukuthi iliphi ibank ezomdayisela amshintshe le ship. Ama-bank aqhudelane kanjalo bahlangana ke ama-bank wathi ukwenzela ukuthi sonke siwine masivele siyinyuse sonke imali siyibeke instead of 7 rand siyibeke ku-17, 18 nanoma idili itholwa ubani sonke siyadla kuyafana. Nayo-ke into abayenzile, nayo-ke into esiyilwelayo. So mase kwenzeka kanjalo mawuthenga into ephuma kwelinye ilizwe ifika kuthina isibiza kakhulu 3 times more. So lama chips owathengayo mayephuma phesheya so sothenga 3 times more but umuntu othola leyo mali ama-bank thina isimo sokuphila izihambane kapondo asaziwe kuthina siyabantu.
Mhlawumbe sithi ngoba leyo nto sekudala yenzeka irandi kudala lanyuka umuphi upresident owayekade kuma-range ngalesikhathi yenzeka yonke lento?
It goes back from 2007. That is when they were found. It could have been more or even before ANC ingena. This is a systematic thing. Ama-system ukhumbula ukuthi post-apartheid what happened is ukuthi kwasuka i-corrupt system ye-apartheid regime kwangena laba be-ANC behlala kwisihlalo se-corruption already and they never changed the systems kwasekuqaleni and they still work for the white man, they still work for the billionaires in Switzerland and so on and so forth. So the system is not okay kwavele, and this is what we are saying should be changed because ngangena noma ubani kwi-leadership, the system mangashintshanga kuyafana.
Mhlawumbe asibheke ngokwe shutdown le yenziwe namhlanje. Are you seeing any impact mhlawumbe makuhamba isikhathi ubona bezoniphendula within lo 7 days enifunayo?
At some point ngeke sancenga kuzomele siyidemand because we've done it the right way. We've complied with the law, and although we are speaking to lawless people, we are communicating and trying, and we haven't even gotten proper acknowledgement from these organizations, from these entities, or even from the government. Instead, we got a pushback. In Gauteng, for example, to a strike on Goba, they are hosting amakote as a G20. Laba yo wadaisela umhlaba wethu kuyimanje. Kune bid. U-India ufuna ukufaka 11.6 billion ukuthi athenge i-KZN agriculture. Let me give you an example. China wants to give about 8 billion so that bazothenga iLimpopo. Khona bazothatha all the minerals, you understand? Saudi Arabia ifuna the port of Saldanha in South Africa. G20 is seriously a bid. Bazothenga umhlaba, bazothenga ama-ports, bazothenga ama-minerals ethu. If we allow that to happen, let me tell you now, so kubeka sebeyigqila. Into enibona yenzeka eZimbabwe incane kunalezayo. Amasosha wethu bawahlunulile ngeikhali, abawaniki ngisho ama-resources ukwenzela ukuthi balethe foreign people. Ubani othe laba abafikile abase-Palestine ninesho kangakanani bengenamaphepha? Do you not see what's happening? In Mpumalanga kwatholakala abantu bangaphandle khona abafana nalaba abatrainwayo khona eMpumalanga. Open your eyes, black people. Kuningi okwenzakalayo. All these G20 countries are coming to buy South Africa. And Ramaphosa even said with NEC that he is only willing to resign after G20. Intenjani le? I-company ethole i-contract ye-green energy, it belongs to uMotsepe. uMotsepe ubrother-in-law kaRamaphosa. Kusho ukuthini lokho? Kusho ukuthi kudla bona, isn't it?
So tell us, if in 7 days abaniphenduli ngale nto enifisa ngayo, what will happen?
We shut down each and every economic hub. Nothing will move in this country. No G20 will happen. No policies will be done. There's no functionality. No ATM will be pressed. There will be nothing that is going to happen. We will Nepal this country. Because if we don't fight now, I'm telling you, we have lost the battle.
Siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho.
Okay, thank you so much.